This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off location services in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser open now. To enable or disable location sharing on the Brave browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to the 3-bar hamburger menu, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says settings and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. Then you'll scroll down a little ways to where you see it says site and shield settings and click on that. And under permissions, you want to click on location. And right up in here, by default, location sharing is enabled on the Brave browser, but you could toggle it off right here. Don't allow sites to see your location. The top one is enabled, the bottom one is disabled. That is how you enable or disable the location sharing on the Brave browser. Thanks for watching.